If you're getting rid of the poisons, check. If you're getting rid of the starch, because remember, starch is what? Carbonic acid. What is carbonic acid? Carbonic acid is...
I am not a medical professional. The information provided in this video is for information purposes. Please consult your healthcare provider for medical advice.
I greet you. Welcome back. Let's jump right into it. What is cancer? It is the accumulation of toxins, poisons, starch by abnormal cells. Now, those cells begin to progress, and at first they are small, and then they get bigger and bigger and bigger, and then they start to burst. When they burst and spread, that is called cancer. That is it. So what needs to be done is that you need to align with products that will reduce, remember, because it's a cell that has enlarged, you need to align with products that will reduce the size or even regenerate, because remember, when you are having the absence of eating foods that align with your cells, you literally begin to reduce, and you also regenerate new ones. Because if you're getting rid of the poisons, check. If you're getting rid of the starch, because remember, starch is what? Carbonic acid. What is carbonic acid? Carbonic acid is acid that literally burns your cell. It's acid that is found in foods that are hybrids, foods that don't have a molecular structure that is complete, food that don't have the data, that have not grown naturally, foods that are not whole foods. So that is food like your broccoli, your, I don't like to say it, but pineapple. Those are not conducive. Those are grown, they are made in a lab. They are man-made. So then when you eat them, they turn into carbonic acid. Dairy, meats, that is uric acid. So those types of food, potato, they turn into carbonic acid, which is starch. Because remember, they have to use starch as a binder to make the food solid. Like when you cut a potato, there's no seed inside. So they use carbonic acid, aka starch, to make a bind. So when you don't eat things like that, guess what? You're removing the cell that has grown, the cell that is now abnormal. You're either going to cell program death or you're going to generate new ones. So there is options. So when you align with correcting the poisons, the toxins within that cell that are spreading or that have burst like abnormal, you can then create new ones that are not spreading as cancerous. So your green juices, good, your juice, that is pretty much it. Don't eat poisons that your cells are going to enlarge and that's going to make your cells bigger and abnormal. Don't stay away from poisons, stay away from hybridized foods, stay away from foods that you will turn into carbonic acid, because acid burns. Your cells are like, oh my gosh, why are you burning us? Because carbonic acid is starch. Starch, that's what it does. It burns your cell. This is why we say eat foods that will love you back, that don't have acid to burn those cells. So remove the poisons from your dietary foods. Get products or a lifestyle. Eat foods from nature that will be able to assimilate with your cells and basically regenerate new ones. I hope that makes sense. With that being said, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.